Hey everyone, welcome to Review Product. When it comes to car aesthetics and protection, sometimes the smallest details make the biggest difference. Today, we're talking about something often overlooked but always visible: tire valve stem caps. More than just tiny covers, these can add style, enhance security, and even offer quick diagnostic insights. I'm Review Product, and we've researched the top 5 models to help you pick the perfect set for your wheels. Ready to upgrade your ride's little details? Let's jump right in. Number 5. JUSTTOP Car Tire Valve Stem Caps. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the JUSTTOP Car Tire Valve Stem Caps. The biggest advantage of these caps is their unbeatable affordability and wide variety of basic designs. If you're looking for a simple, quick, and cheap way to replace lost caps or add a basic splash of color or a universal logo to your wheels, JUSTTOP offers a huge selection. They are made from simple plastic or lightweight aluminum, making them very easy to install and remove. They provide essential protection against dirt and moisture entering your valve stems. Pros: extremely affordable, very budget-friendly, often sold in multi-packs. Wide variety of basic colors, designs, easy customization, simple to install, just screw on. Provides basic protection from dust, dirt, and moisture. Cons: durability can be limited, especially plastic caps, which may crack or fade quickly in harsh weather. Metal caps can sometimes seize on valve stems due to galvanic corrosion, especially if over-tightened or exposed to road salt. Purely aesthetic, offering no functional benefits beyond basic protection. Key features: plastic or basic aluminum construction, various colors, simple screw-on design. Number 4. CKAuto Tire Valve Caps. Next up at number 4, we have CKAuto Tire Valve Caps. This brand often strikes a good balance between affordability and a more premium, durable feel than generic plastic caps. CKAuto frequently offers metal valve caps, which provide a more substantial look and feel, and better resistance to weather and wear. They often come in various colors and finishes, allowing for a noticeable aesthetic upgrade for your wheels without breaking the bank. They offer a good, secure seal, keeping your valve stems protected and adding a subtle touch of style. Pros: improved durability, often made from higher quality metals. More premium look and feel, better aesthetic upgrade than plastic, good value for the enhanced quality. Provides a secure seal against dirt and moisture, available in a range of colors and finishes. Cons: potential for galvanic corrosion. As with many metal caps, they can seize onto valve stems, especially in harsh conditions, making removal difficult. Can be a target for theft due to their metallic appearance. Still primarily aesthetic, with no functional benefits beyond basic protection. Key features: metal construction, often anodized finishes, secure screw-on design, improved durability. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz Valve Stem Caps. Sliding into the number 3 spot, for those who value brand aesthetics and luxury details, we have the Mercedes-Benz Valve Stem Caps. The biggest advantage of these caps is the authentic, high-quality branding and premium finish that perfectly complements a luxury vehicle. They typically feature the iconic Mercedes-Benz star logo, often embossed under transparent plastic or with a high-polished chrome. These caps are about elevating the subtle details of your car, indicating attention to quality and brand loyalty. They provide a refined touch that completes the look of a premium vehicle. Pros: authentic OEM branding, perfect match for Mercedes-Benz vehicles. Premium aesthetic, high-quality finish with iconic logo, enhances the overall luxury feel of the wheels. Provides basic protection for valve stems. Cons: very high price point, significantly more expensive than aftermarket options. Brand specific, only truly makes sense for Mercedes-Benz owners. Can be a target for theft due to their brand value. While high quality, they are still prone to corrosion issues common with metal caps if not periodically maintained. Key features: genuine OEM part, embossed star logo, high quality chrome black finish, brand exclusivity. Number 2. Ziciner 10PCs Tire Valve Caps. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Ziciner 10PCs Tire Valve Caps. This product earns its spot for its incredible value, sheer quantity, and the wide array of fun and unique designs it offers. Unlike single sets, Ziciner provides 10 pieces, meaning you have plenty of spares if you lose a cap or want to change up your style. They often come in various novelty shapes, colors, or with integrated features like glow-in-the-dark elements. They are perfect for those who love to frequently customize their car's look, add a playful touch, or simply need an abundance of replacement caps at a very low cost. Pros: excellent value, 10 caps per pack, providing many spares. Wide variety of unique novelty designs, great for customization and fun. Affordable, very low cost per cap, easy to replace if lost or damaged. Adds a personalized and playful touch to wheels. Cons: durability might be inconsistent. Quality can vary with novelty designs or cheaper materials. Some designs might be bulky or less aerodynamic, may not offer the premium feel of solid metal caps. Key features: bulk pack 10 PCs, diverse novelty designs, plastic light metal construction, budget friendly. Number 1, CKAuto tire valve stem caps. And finally, crowning our list at number 1, it's the CKAuto tire valve stem caps. This model takes our top spot due to its unbeatable balance of quality construction, reliable performance, and aesthetic appeal. CKAuto consistently delivers durable metal valve caps that provide excellent protection against dirt, dust, and moisture. They are designed for a secure fit, minimizing the risk of loss, and offer a clean, finished look to your wheels. They avoid the fragility of plastic and the extreme cost of OEM, giving you a solid, stylish, and functional upgrade that stands the test of time, making them a go-to choice for most car owners. Pros: durable metal construction, resists corrosion, and wears better than plastic. Secure fit, less likely to fall off or be lost. Good balance of aesthetics and protection, enhanced wheels look subtly. Reliable performance, protects valve stems effectively. Available in common colors to match wheel aesthetics. Cons: potential for galvanic corrosion, like all metal caps. Can seize onto valve stems if not periodically removed and lubricated, especially in areas with road salt. Not as cheap as the absolute budget plastic options. Key features: high-quality metal, often aluminum alloy, secure threaded design, basic color options, durable protection.